Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami ninja star. This is a really cool model. It needs a little more paper, but it has a very nice result and it's different from any I've ever seen. It works great as a paper shuriken, but if you want, you can also use it as a windmill, a propeller. It's a really cool idea and you can have a lot of fun making it. To get started, you will need 4 squares of paper of the same size. To make it easier, in this video I'm going to use 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches, but you can use a smaller size. If your paper has only one colored side, start with the white side facing up. First of all, let's start by folding the paper in half along both diagonals, making something like an X. For this, we're going to have to bring one corner to the other and crease sharply. Once done, we can undo and fold the opposite diagonal by bringing the other two corners together. And unfold again. Now, for the next step, let's rotate in this position, and starting at the bottom side, let's fold this corner to the middle, creating a horizontal line here. On the top side, we do the same thing. Then unfold them both. Now, again the bottom side, we're going to fold the corner to the line we made. Now fold the existing crease again. And then let's fold it once more by bringing the edge to the middle. On the top side, let's do the same thing. First, fold the corner to the crease. Fold the line again. And then the edge to the middle. Having these details done, let's rotate the paper, now in this position, and fold in half. Let's reinforce it very well. And at the top, we are going to fold the right corner. Therefore, just take half of the top edge and bring it to the middle. Unfold it. Now let's open the right side, like this, And using the marks we just made, let's open up and flatten the top corner. Close the paper back to the right. And this is the result. Now, let's do the same with the left side. First, let's fold the top edge to the middle, just to make a mark. We open the left side. And flatten the top, creating a triangle. Then we close again. This is the result. For the next step, we're going to have to fold connecting these two corners. So, we'll take only the first layer and bring it up. Now turn it over. Close the bottom side to the right. And now, using the same logic as before, we are going to fold the corner here. Just bring the bottom edge to the middle. You don't need to fold exactly to the middle, you can leave a small difference. Now we'll bring the middle layers to the left. And fold the other corner in the same way. Let's open the middle layers as before. And now pay close attention to the next step. At the top, we're going to fold the paper, connecting these two corners here. So, just take these corners towards the middle. Align the top and the right corner very well. And reinforce. Now, the same with the left side. Once that's done, again we are going to close the middle layers. And now we're going to fold it here, this time by bringing the edge to the middle. This side's okay. Let's go to the other. And fold the same diagonal. Let's open the bottom side as before. And on the remaining layer, let's fold both sides to the middle. First the right, then repeat on the left side. We'll have to fold each side to the middle again, making it very narrow. As before, we start from the right. Here, depending on the paper used, it can be a little more difficult, it can be a little harder, so be very careful. Let's go to the left. We already have something like a kunai knife. As last step of this module, we are going to fold the corner to this point here. And this is the first module, the first unit, the first piece. Now let's make the others. And now to put them all together, let's place one unit behind the other, like this, and then close the extra paper on top. The next one we will put in this position, going behind the second part. And the last one is the only one that is a little different. We are going to have to fit this end through the middle of the top pieces. Then fold the extra paper over the third blade. The last one we fold over as well. But in the end we just need to separate the paper a little bit here and put this end, this last end, inside this space here. We can adjust a little, leaving the middle part a little more closed, making everything a little firmer, more resistant. And our amazing origami ninja star is ready! This is an origami that is not that difficult to make. Yes, you need a little more paper, it may take some time, but the result is amazing and it's definitely worth it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, remember to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!